Good morning. While Mike is trying to park, we are at the rocket lot at the EPCOT parking lot.
Somebody's not buckled in.
We're parking. We've parked. Okay.
Oh, now it's really angry at
Oh
me.
my gosh. Okay. Well, the car was yelling at me for taking off my seatbelt. We have a Cosmic Rewind 940 lightning lane redemption. It is 9:20 right now. We're pretty close to the actual show building, but obviously we can't just cross over. That would have been really nice. Lately, our virtual queue, it's too late to make it, or sometimes a little bit too early. We pulled the third boarding group this morning. So, all right, well, we're gonna try to walk on over.
We're going to be here really late tonight. Today is going to be a long day.
Oh yeah, that's right, because we have a special dinner tonight, hence the effort made into hair doing this morning. But we got a big suitcase in the back of the car, so we're gonna try to change so we don't look like just regular old tourists going to a fancy dinner. The next thing that is slated to open is Moana Journey of Water. Don't know when that's supposed to open. Probably not this year. Looks pretty neat though. They have a huge statue of Tafiki, I think, somewhere in the ride, or the walkthrough experience. Here we go. We're turning left towards Cosmic Rewind. Test track. I don't know if they're even open. That ride breaks down a lot. We were just at DCA where we rode Radiator Springs. Same ride mechanism, but in my opinion, the West Coast version of it is just that much better. We haven't had coffee this morning. So got up, got ready. We're stuck on the on-ramp to I-4 for a little bit. But once we got through the merge, it was no traffic, which is amazing. And then our GPS was going to take us all the way to Fort Wilderness and turn around to go to EPCOT. Mike's like, no, I'm overriding that. I see the sign to EPCOT, I'm taking it. Yay, we made it in. The queue line here is pretty neat. It's kind of like a fake pavilion, if you want to call it that. I mean, in the World Showcase, you have the World Showcase pavilions. Here, it's kind of like planetary pavilion. Ooh!
You Terrans might also find it fantastical that our planet Xandar can orbit 3 suns. But did you know that your scientists discovered a planet with 3 suns in your own galaxy? Your scientists named this planet HD 131199AB, which Peter Quill said is
a terrible name for a planet.
He said that you Terrans should have called it
Something cool like Mars, but you know, it hasn't already been taken.
I am still trying to decipher exactly how a name makes a planet's temperature cooler. You may wonder what it is like to live on a planet with 3 suns. Observe. For much of the year, our suns appear close together in the sky, giving it a familiar Terran night and day cycle, yet with a unique triple sunset and sunrise each day.
Xandar, we are never far removed from the natural world, and caring for the environment is one of our core principles. Our lush, exotic gardens are the envy of the galaxy. Xandar features an unparalleled supply of energy.
This is so cool. Just the detail of this model is insane.
But these
Sweet uniforms.
Every Xandarian knows how you gave your life to save the rest of the Guardians that day of the battle. Tell us in your own words how that felt.
You gotta forgive him. He's got what you call a limited vocabulary. What he's trying to say is he did sacrifice himself to save us all, and Xandar. Fortunately, he's plant-based, so we grew him back. And they grow up so fast, especially when you water them.
It would appear so. So back to my original question, whose idea was it to save Xandar?
We passed through the pavilion, and there's one thing that I've never been able to catch. Apparently, there is a little footage of Walt speaking. Again, never caught it. But yeah, they had a little cute little show, like a parody of Good Morning America. So it's like Good Morning Xandar. Of course, Good Morning America is on ABC, which is Disney owned. So there's a little bit of trivia there. All right, we just finished riding Cosmic Rewind. Such a great ride. I love it every single time. What was the song that we got, Mike? Everybody Wants to Rule the World? Yeah. So I've gotten Iran, September, and now this is a new song, but I really want to get Conga. That'll be the next one. See if we can get Conga. There's actually a mirror here, but it serves a practical purpose. Apparently this is where the cast members also do a quick little sightline check. So, here you go.
If you have visited our Wonders of Xandar Pavilion, then you know the Guardians of
Ooh, they've got some Doctor Strange.
What you may not know is
The scepter.
I am a personal friend of Peter Quill. If you see him,
This is pretty neat. Ooh, how neat is this? What am I looking at? Ooh, what stone is that? That's the purple one. The Power Stone. Thank you, Bruce. Eye of Agamotto. Oh my goodness. That's super neat. Thank you. Wow.
Have a magical day.
Thank you. Oh, one of the kind cast members just showed me the gadgets. That's really cool. Saw the Power Stone and the Time Stone in the Eye of Agamotto. Test track, and it's about a 60-minute wait. We're going to try to see if we can single rider it as we did at Radiator Springs. Hopefully it'll be much shorter, so we'll find out. So if you ride single rider, you don't get to pick your own vehicle. They're just going to assign you some sort of generic vehicle, but that's okay. I mean, we've done this before, so I'd rather not have to wait.
Is your magic band secure today?
My magic band is secure today. I'll kind of show you a little clip that we got. It's a Fitbit clip. Last time we were here, I lost my magic band on this particular ride. So, and you know, the Disney Lost and Found system is incredible, by the way. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to get it back. So I'll talk to you as I try to design my car here. We're going to pick English. So yeah, I didn't know that I was going to be able to get it back, but they found it, and it was just incredible. So now I have this little purple little rubber band, essentially clipping the ends together. Hopefully we'll be fine today. Oh, continue. Let's do responsiveness. Okay. And we're gonna pick our pink little car, I think. Okay. We can't really tweak anything, so that is the car. There it is. That's my car. All right, we're getting ready to ride. Yeah, I mean, again, single rider. If you're willing to skip part of the queue, building your own car, it's great. Yeah. Let's see how we did. Let's see how we did. We just had a stock car. Okay. This one? Oh, all right. Okay. I think if you saw, I picked the capability one. So aerodynamic, very maneuverable, no power. So shocking that I actually won something, even with the stock car. It was. That is gorgeous. Is she a mid-engine car? Yes. She's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Wow. When we were here last time, it was a red car, but this is.
That's the 22, and
This is
now
a 23.
there's the 23, yeah. And this is actually our 70th anniversary edition, so there's a lot of special customization.
Wow. Look at the interior. What is that bag inside? That's just an accessory?
Yeah, so because it is 70th anniversary, we want to focus on the accessories that come with the car. You know, a lot of things that are signature exclusives. So that bag is part of the collection.
That's awesome. Wow. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We really appreciate your time.
Thank you. Wow. So we just learned that is the 23 model, and it's a 70th anniversary. And they actually, there's a designer bag, commemorative bag that's part of the package. So for the car. Yeah, there's a luggage inside. I'm like, what is that? Yeah, so it's kind of like the kids area. I think Test Track does have a height requirement of 40-inch. So for the kiddos that are not tall enough to ride, you can actually race your own little virtual car. And there's Mike. How's Mike doing? Is Mike winning?
No, I'm going all over the place.
Mike is not doing so hot. Mike is actually getting cramped.
No, hitting somebody else.
Yeah. It's like bumper
There's
car
a
style.
school.
That's so cool. Yeah, again, you have kiddos that are just not quite tall enough. You can do rider swap and then, have them be over here. So very cool. Is this an EV?
Yeah. This is the bolts over there. This is kind of the little EUV.
Yeah, this is bigger, right?
Yeah.
That in France and the other one is 26.
Okay.
This is 28. Nice. I can see you taking brochure.
Very pretty.
No, I'm good. I'll look it up.
Yeah, very, very pretty. design of these cars they're getting better. American car makers generally are not known for their design elements, but they look pretty good to me, especially the Corvette. Goodness, she's a beauty. And we're, you can get a little transport bus. Oh, how cute. Oh, you can get the little test track vehicle. Looks like this has got a radio control, so you can control your little ride vehicle. It's pretty cool. Yeah, these are like the old school EPCOT merch design. All right, I think we're gonna try to hunt for food now. Check out the Festival of the Arts, which is also known as FART. Oh my goodness, this thing finally got my hands on my very own Figment popcorn bucket, along with the rainbow popcorn inside. This thing took 7 hours to wait for when it first opened, and it was gone, sold out. People were selling them for $300 on eBay. I was tempted, but I refrained from buying. And it came back for a hot second last year, and it was gone again. So it's the Festival of the Arts time. Finally got Figment popcorn bucket.